Harish, congratulations on your film Kathirinda Kangal. I want to know why you picked this title first.
The title, I just found it very interesting. It's from an old Tamil song,
Yeah,
and I wanted
there's a
the
Tamil
title to
film
be.
also by that name, by the way.
Oh dear. Okay, I wanted the title to be very cryptic, and at the same time give a clue about what's happening. Like there are these eyes that are waiting, but what are they waiting for? I just wanted it to raise questions and not give an answer, basically. So the
Right.
point was to keep it very cryptic.
Of course, this conversation is going to be seen by people who've already seen the film, so this is not going to be a spoiler as such. So I'm
Um,
going to launch right ahead. What made you think of a double twist?
so that happened through the process actually. Firstly, it wasn't in the plan at all. Firstly, it was all about the girl who has been like yearning for something, but it keeps going away from her. And in this case, it's basically her husband who she wants to get close to, but he has some other idea. Yeah, he has some other distraction. So at the end of distraction of being sold to, I had to invent a character. I had to give a reason for the distraction, which was the girl. And then through the process of writing the story, I figured out it'll be interesting to make the girl imagination and make her something that the guy has been hallucinating. I felt like the ending was not uh, coherent. It's not like correct amel. And then I realized, okay, the apt ending will be if the girl herself has been imagination. I mean, she's been imagining her husband and everything around her. So I felt like that was the most apt ending. So it was actually pretty interesting because I didn't even let anyone else in the team and the crew know about it. எல்லாருக்கும் like story until the scene where the husband decides to go and kill his wife, go like, listen to his daughter and go kill his wife. அங்க வரைக்கும் தான் சொன்னேன். So that I thought everyone will just prepare for that, keeping that in the mind. Actors out, or even the music director, everyone just prepared for that. But lastly, I told them once we shot that scene. So yeah,
Okay, எனக்கு அந்த அமையலைங்கிறது, can you just explain that a little bit? For example, the twist, there is one twist in that she finds the rows of medicine bottles and the fact that he's not been taking his medication, his antidepressant medication. That's one twist, right?
Mhm.
What made you feel that அந்த அமையலைங்கிறது, why did you feel that that was incomplete?
Incomplete in சொல்ல I just felt like the double twist would be something no one would expect. ஏன்னா
Okay.
நானே அதை எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணல. I thought it'll be a bigger punch. Like in fact, ஒரு சில people who have watched the film, like share பண்ணவங்க, even they really loved that second twist because to a certain extent you can guess that first twist coming. சில clues எல்லாம் இருக்கும். Like for example, when the guy is driving and he sees a little girl out, anyone can argue like that doesn't seem logical. Maybe he's imagining. அப்படின்னு நிறைய பேர் can think. So the second twist was actually much needed in a கேட்டா because that no one can guess. So அப்படி கூட வச்சுக்கலாம். Yeah.
Now, when you see a twist film, right? Like typically, what happens is modal தடவை பார்க்கும்போது you're watching the whole thing, not knowing anything, and therefore it's a like everything is a revelation. But then when the second time you watch it knowing what happened, so you're able to pick up certain things and all that. So when you played back the film the second time, did you feel that maybe there was something else that you could have added, or maybe something that you could have removed, or anything like that?
Not really. I didn't feel like anything could have been added. In fact, if anything, I wish the runtime was longer so I could have added more episodes to raise that tension. I'm a huge fan of அந்த thrill element. அதை ரைஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும். அப்புறம் at one point அதுக்கு ஒரு ஹைல போனா ஸோ அது ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். So the entire chase sequence, if you think about it, the entire film was almost the climax. 12 minutes, 8 minutes was climax. I wish that was even longer so I could have added more of that emotion. So my favorite part about the film is the chase, the actual chase scene. Chase in சொல்ல முடியாது, the search. When the
Search,
guy
right?
is searching for the girl, and at the same time, his wife knows that he has been like wandering all around the place. And
Right.
that part, Romanella வந்துச்சுன்னு I feel. So that if I could have escalated even more, like increase the length of that scene even more, I would have felt it's perfect.
One of these, the internet, the advantages of the internet is everybody has a theory, and one of the things for, like, one of the favorite theories that people have for this kind of movie is it was all a dream. So is there a way to look at this film and say that this girl didn't even have a husband and the whole thing is just happening in our mind.
Correct. But I would say this is not a dream though. It's கொஞ்சம் different. It's
No. I wasn't saying this is a dream, but like அந்த மாதிரி சொல்றவங்க இருக்காங்கல்ல, like for different other films. So yeah.
Yeah, it's actually pretty much the same. So I wouldn't say it's all a dream, but it's all about like how the reveal is being unraveled and so on. So it's like, I feel it's a little different in terms of giving it a second twist, நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி, but it's pretty much the same. It is, end of the day, it's the same thing.
Did the fact that it was an unhappy marriage, was that always a part of your screenplay? That
No.
at those first few scenes of the fact that they seem to be, did you ever consider what if they'd been quote unquote normal and then this had happened?
Well, actually, the fact that this is not about a woman who was married at one point or who wants to get married.
But I'm talking about those scenes that come at the beginning, that
Right.
you know, the fact that he seems distant and, you know, like one, on those scenes I'm talking about.
So that was the first scene I wrote for the story. I took the basic premise, which was the more you yearn for something, the more it keeps going away from you. So I took that philosophy and then I applied it to a girl who wants to get closer to her husband. So I wrote the dinner scene first, and then I kept, like I said, it was a process. I was going to end up writing a double twist. I didn't even know I was going to write a single twist, actually. So I took that philosophy, I applied it to the guy too. Even he is yearning for something, but that keeps going away. In that case, it's his daughter. So it just happened in a guitar. So it was just a process that I myself found being unraveled in front of me. Yeah. So it wasn't planned. It wasn't planned at all.
My last question to you is about this process, in the sense that there's two ways of writing. One is that people say, this is my beginning and this is my end, and then they try to find a way to go from here to there.
Right.
But I think you're the second kind who says, I'm just going to start writing and then find my story as it goes along. Is that right?
That's correct. Yes. Yep.
Okay. Does it sometimes become a problem, in the sense that, do you find that maybe sometimes you paint yourself into a corner and you kind of, are you in the Mario?
In fact, I'll be honest with you, it takes a long time. I took days to write the story, but I like the process. I enjoy the process of not knowing the ending. The uncertainty da enakku pidichirukku. Yeah, so that's my style, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So congratulations on your film.
Thank you, sir. Okay.